Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the type of number: prepaid SIM, monthly carrier plan, or VoIP/virtual service. You need ID and a billing address. That's required for verification and porting later. Once chosen, compare costs and coverage. Cheap is not always reliable. Make sure your device is unlocked if using a SIM. Next, pick an area code that fits your purpose. This matters for local presence and call rates. Proceed to sign up with basic account info. You now register and select the exact number or request porting. This step controls billing and service features. Enter accurate personal details so verification passes. Carriers cross-check ID and address to prevent fraud. Once you pick a number, configure voicemail, call forwarding, and voicemail PINs. These reduce later headaches. If using VoIP, install the app and grant microphone permission. After verification codes arrive by SMS or call, confirm them immediately so provisioning can finish. You finish by activating the SIM or confirming VoIP provisioning. Activation can take minutes to a few hours depending on carrier. Test inbound and outbound calls, SMS delivery, and data speeds. Make sure voicemail greets correctly. If numbers do not appear, restart the device and reinsert the SIM or log out and back into the app. If problems persist, contact carrier support with your account number. They can check provisioning and escalate porting or network issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.